everyone, this is Roxanne. Today we are going to talk about another grammar topic, and that is about the articles. Maybe some of you are still confused with which article to use in a particular noun phrase, so I hope today you will learn something from this discussion. Now, articles are a special type of adjectives, and they modify or indicate which noun you are talking about. And there are two types of articles in English. These are definite article and indefinite article. Let's talk about the definite article first. Here, so in English, we only have one definite article, and that is the word the. Remember, that is the only definite article in English. Now, when do we use this article the? So, we use it for a specific noun. For example, I want the pen. I'm talking about a certain pen, the pen. Also, the article the works for both singular and plural nouns. For example, I want the pen, I want the pens. So, singular and plural nouns. Now, what if you talk about mass noun? So, mass noun is a noun that cannot be counted. For example, milk, water, salt, etc. So if you're talking about specific mass noun, you have to use the. For example, the salt is on the table. The salt is on the table. Salt is a mass noun, and I use the because it's specific. Okay, now let's have indefinite article. Now we have two, a or an. So we use a before a noun that starts with a consonant sound. For example, a pen. So the word pen starts with a consonant sound. So that's why we use a. Now we use an before a noun that starts with a vowel sound. For example, an orange. I'm not sure if you can see this, so it's an orange. An orange. So the word orange starts with a vowel sound. An orange. An orange. Okay, so remember a for consonant and an for vowel. So going back, we use a or an if we're talking about general or non-specific nouns. For example, when you say general, let's say a baby drinks milk. A baby drinks milk. So I'm talking about baby in general. A baby in general. So for non-specific, for example, I want a pen. So it doesn't matter which pen, just any pen. So a pen. I want a pen. I want an orange. So it doesn't matter which orange or which pen. An orange pen. Alright, so we also use a or an for singular noun because a or an means one. So you cannot say a pens or an oranges. You cannot say that one because a or an means one. You have to use a or an for a singular noun. Okay? Singular, non-specific. Because non-specific here. Alright, so I also have this note part here. So for plural non-specific nouns and non-specific mass nouns, don't use an article. So when we say plural non-specific nouns, for example, babies drink milk. So I'm talking about babies in general. So I'm not talking about a certain baby, but babies in general. So it's plural and non-specific. So I did not say a babies or the babies because non-specific, so I don't say the babies. Okay? So for non-specific mass nouns also, for example, water. Water is a mass noun, so I say water is important. So I'm talking about water in general. I'm not talking about specific water. And so I say water is important. I don't use any article for that. So remember this one, plural non-specific and non-specific mass nouns, don't use an article. So I hope that you have learned something from me today. today. So see you on my next video, and I'll be talking another grammar topic. That's all for today.